What's up, homeboys? It's your boy, Mr. Best Science, and we been hunter and gathering like a motherfucker over here. Look at that. Hunter-gatherer maxing over here. We got fish. We got some nasty ass worms. Look at this one. I could freaking eat this worm. This worm is like a snake, boy. This is the king of the worms, boy. Holy moly. That's a snake worm. Okay, we got some perches as well. They're pretty cool. I might eat that one. I might eat you. Perches are pretty nice. Oh my god, look at that. It's raw chicken as well, boy. We got even raw chicken up in these motherfucker. Actually, I could have gotten, if I wanted to. This one is still alive. What up, boy? I'm gonna eat you alive. If I wanted to, I could have catch this. Not this one. This little bird that just didn't know how to fly yet. It was a tiny little bird, but it was too cute. But I saw it. Its parents were freaking out. I almost stepped on it. And then the little guy just kinda freaked out. But look at this. Living Vendens. Vendase. How do you pronounce that? I've never heard any English speaker pronounce this. Vendase. Vendas. Wendays. 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 Last time we used the knife to cut you, kill you. This time we do the old school way, like the guy who had the strongest bones I've ever seen. Look at that. It's time for you to die, boy. Oh man. Just that old school way to it. Oh man, that's pretty good. I just cashed this like 10 minutes ago with a small piece of worm. It's pretty pleasant. Not bad. Not bad at all. Eating living fish. Yeah, boy, this is what life is all about, huh? Freaking nature. The good thing about cutting it open with the knife is that you don't get that freaking ball sack of juice. That's kinda nasty. I don't like that. It's bitter as hell. So do it with the badass way, like I just did. That's the best way to be. If you wanna impress somebody, do it that way. But the practical way is with the knife. I gotta be honest. Yeah, I catch this raw chicken myself in the forest. There's some forest chickens in this forest. I've seen them many times. But yeah, those are the battle scars. When nature freaking whispers, it's sweet, sweet lullabies to your ear. You gotta grab a worm and start fishing. I also could have had 4 lizards, these small lizards. One was climbing up the tree today. That was crazy. It was quite big for these small lizards. Also a couple of frogs. And if I would have a rifle, I could get ducks all day. Actually not all day. There's actually ducks over here. Just when I spoke. Speaking about them, 3 ducks. They're kind of far away. They're spiked probably. Let's see. Can the bullshit ass zoom reach the ducks? Where are they? There they are. Can you see them? 3 ducks. Sometimes they get kinda close, but you can still see that they kinda wild. That raw chicken good. Raw chicken mixed with Wendy's. Man, that's a good day. That's those nature's whispers. Psst, psst. And if you listen, oh yeah, life's gonna be good. If you don't listen, those psst, psst, psst. When you got little aches and pains, when you got little skin problems, when your sleep ain't so good anymore, when that dick don't get hard anymore, when you don't got those morning boots anymore, when that brain focus taking over your brain, or even worse things, you get the point. Those are the nature's whispers. And this is the place. Eating freaking fish out of the water, getting some raw chicken salmonella nutrition up in the tummy. This is how you deal with it. This is the nature's whispers, huh? It's pretty freaking simple shit, guys. Get that sunlight, get your bare ass on the ground, fish, look at the cool ducks, try to catch a swan if you can, and eat the swan. That's the ultimate goal in the Finland nature. That's the ultimate goal in Finland nature. Catch a freaking swan. You have to catch 2 because they always go in the pairs, and you cannot leave the other one like by him or herself. You have to kill the pair, otherwise it would be too ruthless for even master-based science. Too cold-hearted. No. If you're gonna catch a swan, you have to get the both ones and then have a feast. I feel like swans, that's the bare boned maxing food, because those swans, they still got bare bonding, because they grounded all the time. They swimming in the lakes. They in the nature. They're not in front of the screens. And the Elon Musk satellites still not fucking them up too bad. So, swans still got pair bonding. Can we learn something from them? I think we can. That's those nature's whispers. Psst, psst, psst. And if you listen, you're gonna be alright.